Nothing kills the mood of a swim faster than scooping out leaves, bugs, and who knows what from your pool. I used to spend more time cleaning than swimming, until this little machine showed up. The Bublue BuVortex V5. It's not just a pool gadget. It's like having a mini lifeguard whose only job is to keep your water crystal clear. The first time I dropped this thing in the pool, I was expecting another gimmick. You know, something that wanders around aimlessly and quits after 20 minutes. But nope. The BuVortex V5 locked in like it had a mission. It's the world's first active suction robotic surface skimmer, which means instead of just gliding around hoping debris floats into it, it pulls debris toward itself with a strong 2,061 gallons per hour dual motor system. Think of it like the difference between casually walking past crumbs with a broom versus a vacuum that's hunting them down like a predator. The magic isn't just in the power, it's in the brain. This thing runs on Bluesonic AI, and I swear it's smarter than some humans I know. It plans its path instead of zigzagging randomly, and it can handle pools up to 538 square feet without missing a spot. You've got two modes: auto for full coverage or corner boost, which is like sending it on a targeted seek and destroy mission in those nasty corners where leaves love to gather. And the corner cleaning? You can actually see it pause, focus, and then start sucking up every speck. It's oddly satisfying to watch. Here's where I really fell in love: the app control. I can be inside making coffee, open the app, hit one button, and this thing wakes up, skims my pool, and then politely parks itself at the wall when it's done. No reaching with poles, no fishing it out mid-pool. And at night, the LED lights make it look like a little submarine cruising on a mission. My neighbors have literally stopped by to ask what it is. Now let's talk about its stomach. The dual-layer filtration system. You've got a massive 5-liter basket that can hold over 350 leaves, plus a sponge layer that catches fine particles up to 35 ppi. So yes, it eats the big stuff, but it also gets the pollen, dust, and even bits of sand. The auto overflow guard means nothing escapes once it's inside. No oops moments when it stops moving. Emptying it? Pop the basket out, rinse it, and you're done. No funky smells, no slime touching your hands. One of my biggest pet peeves with other pool robots is getting stuck on the skimmer box or steps. The BuVortex V5 doesn't happen. It's got smart escape tech and a shape designed to glide past obstacles like it's on rails. From a practical standpoint, battery life matters a lot. Fully charged in about 4 hours, it runs up to 180 minutes. For me, that's more than enough to give the pool a full sweep and still have juice left over. It's also surprisingly quiet. You hear the water moving more than the motors. Here's the thing. The combination of suction power, AI navigation, and sheer convenience means I actually use it almost daily. Before, I'd put off skimming because it felt like a chore. Now, I'm more excited to start it than to swim some days. Is it perfect? Nope. If you've got a pool much bigger than 538 square feet, you'll probably need to run it twice to get every inch spotless. And while the app is slick, you'll need to make sure your Wi-Fi reaches the pool for remote control to work. Oh, and like every robot, you still have to empty the basket, but compared to dragging a net around for an hour, that's nothing. Look, I've tested a lot of pool gadgets, and most of them overpromise and underdeliver. The Bublue BuVortex V5 F10? It's the opposite. It promises a clean pool without the hassle, and actually delivers it. If you've been fighting the leaf wars every morning, this thing might just be the peace treaty you've been waiting for. Drop it in, watch it go, and enjoy your pool the way you always imagined. Clean, calm, and ready whenever you are.